Durand line is the border between which of the following countries? The correct answer is B. Afghanistan and Pakistan. So the Durand line is the 640 kilometer, which we can say it is 1640 mile. This is the border between Afghanistan and Pakistan, and it's the result of an agreement between Sir Mortimer Durand, a secretary of the British Indian government, and Abdur Rahman Khan, the EMIR or ruler of Afghanistan. Let's check the next question. Majuli is the biggest river island in the world which is located on the Dash river. The correct answer is D. Brahmaputra river. So, Majuli is the world's largest river island. This river island is situated on the Brahmaputra river and had topped Marjo in Brazil to clinch the top spot at world's largest river island. Let's check the next question. Which of the following boundary lines lie in between the USA and Canada? The correct answer is C. 49th parallel. 49th parallel is the longest undefended border in the world, and the length is 5,525 mile. Let's check the next question. Which of the following states has the largest area under forest? The correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. So, the state that has the largest area is Madhya Pradesh. So, according to the Forest Survey, the largest area forest cover is in India in Madhya Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Hot winds running on the northern part of India during summer are called dash. The correct answer is B. That is Lu. So, the wind which is blowing in the northern plain in summer is known as Lu. Lu is a strong, hot and dry summer afternoon wind from the west, which blows over the western Indo-Gangetic plain region of North India and Pakistan, and it is especially strong in the month of May and June. Let's check the next question. Sahara Desert is in which of the following continents? The correct answer is D. Africa continent. So, the Sahara is the world's largest desert. It extends across most of the northern part of Africa. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is a type of cash crop? The correct answer is B. That is coffee and sugarcane. The main cash crops are sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, cotton, jute, tobacco and rubber. So, these all are the cash crops. Let's check the next question. Which of the following rivers is also known as Dakshin Ganga? The correct answer is C. Godavari. Godavari is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Let's check the next question. Horticulture comes under which of the following revolutions of India? The correct answer is B. That is Golden Revolution. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the smallest continent? The correct answer is D. Australia. So, Australia is the smallest continent in the world. There are 7 continents in total and Australia is the smallest among all. Let's check the next question. Which of the following planet is with a big red spot in our solar system? The correct answer is A. Jupiter. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the 4th highest mountain in the world? The correct answer is A. Lhotse. Let's check the next question. Blue revolution in the Indian context is related to dash. The correct answer is D. Fish production. So the concept of rapid increase in the production of fish and marine products through package program. This is called a Blue Revolution, and it was launched in India during the 75th year plan, that is between 1985 to 1990, when the central government sponsored the Fish Farmer Development Agency. Let's check the next question. How is the river Brahmaputra called in Tibet? The correct answer is C. Sangpo. This river is generally known as Sangpo, but there is another name of this river that is a Chinese name, Yarlung Zangbo. The Brahmaputra and Ganga's river basin and their drainage network. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not a coastal line state? The correct answer is C. Telangana. So Telangana is not having a coastal line. Let's check the next question. Which of the following planets was removed by the International Astronomical Union from the list of planets in 2006? The correct answer is A. Pluto. So Pluto was removed from the planet list in 2006 as it did not fulfill the requirements to be a planet as per the definition of the word by the International Astronomical Union, that is IAU. Let's check the next question. Palk Strait divides which of the following countries? The correct answer is B. India and Sri Lanka. Let's check the next question. The seasonal reversal of winds is the typical characteristic of which climate? The correct answer is E. Monsoon. So monsoon type of climate, it is best developed in the Indian subcontinent, that is Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, parts of Vietnam and South China and Northern Australia. Let's check the next question. The list of the names of cyclones is mentioned by which of the following organization? The correct answer is D, that is WMO. The full form of WMO is World Meteorological Organization. Let's check the next question. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh virtually inaugurated the diversion of the Marusudar River, which is the major tributary of which of the following rivers? The correct answer is A. Chenab River. So, diversion of river will pave the way for acceleration in construction activity of the project. Let's check the next question. Palghat is located in dash between which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Western Ghats, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So Palghat Gap, major break in the Western Ghat mountain range in southern West India, located between the Nilgiri hills to the north and the Annamalai hills to the south. It is about 20 miles, that is 32 kilometers wide, and the Kerala Tamil Nadu border, serving a major communication route between these two states. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the highest waterfall in India? The correct answer is D, Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls in Shimoga district of Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India and the second biggest waterfall in Asia. Let's check the next question. The famous Chandil Dam is located in which state? The correct answer is B, Jharkhand. Let's check the next question. The red color of soil is due to? The correct answer is A, iron. So soil color is usually due to three main pigments. Red is from iron and aluminium oxide and white from silicates and salt. Let's check the next question. Which state of India is called as land of temples? The correct answer is B, Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is called as the land of temples because there are more than 30,000 temples in their distinct style belonging to different dynasties. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for an instant notification. Thank you. All the best.